Hey, what's going on, you guys? Benjamin here with Motivational Marketer, and in this video I'm going to be sharing a few different websites that you can use to start earning some extra money on the side. So if you're hurting for money, then you can get started with any of these websites to earn some extra money on the side or even earn a full-time income. But before I go any further into this video, I just want to welcome you guys to my channel. And if you're interested in learning other methods when it comes to making money online, then I invite you to subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon so you can be notified when I upload new videos. Okay, so with that being said, let me just jump into this first website. So as many of you might know, this website is called Fiverr, and so what it is a freelancing website. This is where you can offer services like graphics and design, digital marketing, writing and translation, video animation, lifestyle, business. I mean, it's pretty self-explanatory. All you have to do is just click right here to join. You create an account, you enter your information, and then you just basically list the services that you're providing. So, I mean, a lot of people use Fiverr to get services done for them that they don't have time to do or they don't know how to do themselves. So what I would recommend if you guys are interested in learning how to make some extra income is just learn any of these skills that are in demand on this website and another one that I'm going to be going over to in a minute. Because the reason why I say this is because once you learn a skill that is in demand, you can use that skill over and over again to earn money for life. So I highly recommend coming to Fiverr if you guys are looking to make some extra money online. Now the next one is similar to Fiverr. It's called Upwork. Now this is basically the same process when it comes to signing up. You just click right here where it says sign up, and then it's gonna have you create your account, and then you're gonna basically list the services that you're providing, and then whenever somebody contacts you for the service, you provide the service and then you get paid. Now the same kind of freelancing services are the same ones you would see on Fiverr: web development, mobile development, design, writing, customer service, marketing. I mean, it's all right here if you guys want to come and check it out. And I'll leave links to these websites in the description if you guys are interested. So, I mean, there's a ton of people who use both of these websites for freelancing services. So, if you click right here where it says see all categories, I mean, you got a whole grocery list of different categories that they offer, and also that you can offer to people who are looking for these services. So, I mean, this is a great way to earn some extra cash. I mean, you can even do this full-time if you're really looking to quit your regular 9-to-5 job. But this is what's known. These two websites are what are known as an active income, where you're basically trading your time for money. But you can do this from the comfort of home, so you don't have to travel to work, be stuck in traffic, or staring at an ugly boss that you don't really like to look at. So this can be an alternative to going to a regular 9-to-5 job. Now, the next website that I want to talk about is called User Testing. So this is a website where you're basically getting paid to go to other websites and test them out. So the way that it works is that you get paid to test other websites. So if you click right here where it says get paid to test, they pretty much break it down on how it works. So right here it says visit a website or an app, complete a set of tasks, speaking your thoughts out loud, and then you get paid. And then if you're wondering how long it takes to test a website or how much you get paid to test a website, it says it right here. Get $10 via PayPal every 20-minute video that you complete. User testing pays you to visit websites or apps, complete a set of tasks, and speak your thoughts out loud. So these are all the companies that use user testing. So it's a pretty trusted website right here. So if you come down right here where it says, what do I need to get started? Basically, all you need is a computer with an internet connection. And you have to be at least 18 years old, and you need to download their testing software. And you have to speak your thoughts out loud in English. And I mean, these right here are all the countries that are available in user testing. So the sign up process is pretty easy. You just enter in your email address and complete a sample test. So once you're approved for a sample test, then that's when you can start going to other websites and testing those websites. But for you to get approved from your sample test, it does take a few business days. So just make sure that you actually try when it comes to completing the sample test. So that's another alternative when it comes to earning some extra money online. So that brings us to the next one, which is Text Broker. Now, Text Broker is kind of similar to Fiverr and Upwork, but this is only focusing on article writing. So, but the only downside about this website is that it's only available in the US as of the recording of this video. So how it works is that you get paid based off of your writing skill. So if you look right here where it says I write content, they break it down on how it works when it comes to payment. So when you click on payment, it's going to show you right here. Oh, by the way, these are all the companies that use Text Broker to have articles written for them. And you can also use Text Broker to pay to have articles written for you if you have a website where you're creating blog articles or something like that. So based off of your writing skill, if you have a 2-star rating, you're going to get paid 0.7 cents per word. A 3-star rating is 1 cent per word. And if you look right here, a 5-star rating is 5 cents a word. Now that adds up really quickly. And if you want to see how that would all work out when it comes to writing articles with 1,000 words or 15 or 2,000 words, you can calculate how much you would be earning. So if you come down right here, 2-star rating is 1,000 words. You're getting paid $7, which is chump change. But the better you are when it comes to writing, the more you're going to get paid. So if you look right here, a 3-star rating, you're getting paid $10 for 1,000 words. A 4-star is $14. But if you check out this right here, 5-star, you're getting paid $50. Now this is, I'm assuming the reason why they pay so much for a 5-star rating is because most people aren't writing at this level. So what I would recommend is if you're somebody who enjoys writing, then this is a great way for you to earn some extra money. If you're willing to improve your writing skills, you can earn easily over $100 a day writing articles for Text Broker. If you want to learn more on how to sign up, you can just click right here and it breaks it down for you. So step 1 is that you register for free and you verify that you're a US citizen. Step 2 is that you submit a writing sample. And just like the other website, user testing, when it comes to submitting a writing sample, it does take a couple of business days for them to get back to you. But when they do, they're going to give you a star rating anywhere between 2 to 5 stars. They don't give you a 1-star rating because nobody wants to read that, honestly. So step 4 is that you complete your profile. And then step 5 is when you can start writing. So when it comes to picking articles to write, they have a list of different articles that people want written, and you have a whole list to choose from. So once you accept an article, I think they give you about 48 hours to complete it. And then once you do, they pay you, I believe, they pay out every 2 weeks. So, I mean, that's basically it. It's free to sign up to become an author, or you can sign up as a client. So that's a great way to earn some extra cash. Now that brings us to the next website, which is called Shutterstock. Now, Shutterstock is a great website to earn a passive income. So if you've ever done a Google image search of any picture, most likely you've seen pictures that have watermarks over them. And in order for you to use that picture without the watermark, you would have to buy the rights to use that picture. This is what Shutterstock offers. If you want to get paid for people to use your photo, then you can come to Shutterstock, you sign up, and you fill out your information, you create an account, and then you can upload your photos, and then people who are interested in using your photo without the watermark, they would have to pay for the rights to use that photo, and then you would make royalties. So the good thing about Shutterstock is that it's not only limited to stock photos. You can upload vector art, illustrations, stock footage, and even music. So the reason why I say this is a good way to earn a passive income is because you can sell the same photo to multiple people. So if people are willing to buy your photo over and over again, you can keep on making money from that one photo. So if you're somebody who can create content that people would be interested in paying for, I mean, this might be a good option for you. And that brings us to our last website right here, which is called Teachable. Now this is another way that you can earn a passive income. So what Teachable is a website that hosts your online course. So if you're somebody who has a particular skill or certain knowledge in an area, and you know people would be willing to pay money to learn, then you can earn a passive income by selling online courses. So in order for you to get started, you just come to Teachable, you sign up for an account, and then you create your school. And basically, you're going to upload your online course to teachable.com, and then you set the price that you want to charge people to enroll into your course. And then you get people to actually enroll into your course. So the reason why you can earn a passive income this way is because you can create an online course one time and you can have an infinite amount of people enroll into your course. So right here, if you look at where it says share your knowledge in 5 simple steps, it breaks it down for you. Create a course for free, upload your content, make your school beautiful. You can call it whatever you want, the School of Hard Knocks or whatever you want to call it. Step 4, engaging your students. I mean, they recommend that because people are more likely to recommend your course to other people and then share the knowledge and be rewarded. I mean, it's pretty straightforward. And if you want information right here, I mean, they have it explained all right here. And as I mentioned, I'm going to leave links for all of these websites in the description below if you guys want to check them out. So the last 2 websites are what are known as a passive income, where you're basically putting in the work up front, but you can earn a residual income by selling that same course or content over and over and over again. The first 4 that I mentioned are what are known as an active income, where you're trading your time for money. But if you guys want my personal recommendation when it comes to earning a passive income online, you can check out the link in the top of the description below. So that's basically it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Hope you guys learned something new. And hopefully you guys can use it to earn some extra cash so you won't be hurting when it comes time to pay your rent. So with that being said, I'll catch you guys in the next one.